Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up on Gumroad. In order to do this, navigate to any browser on your PC, go to the search bar and type in Gumroad login. Hit enter. Now navigate to https://app.gumroad.com. So click on Gumroad's website and you'll be promoted to this page. Now in order to sign up on Gumroad, you'll have to scroll down and enter your email in this field, enter your password and click on Create Account. Also, if you want to sign up using Facebook, Google, X or Stripe, you can select any one of these options. So I'm going to sign up on Gumroad using email. I'll have to enter my email in this field and my password and click on Create Account. After I click on Create Account, I'll be automatically logged into my Gumroad. As you can see, I have this Gumroad dashboard appearing on my screen. Now this is Gumroad. Here we can get started by customizing our profile, getting our first followers, getting our first payout, our first product, first sale and first email blast. Whatever you want to do, just click on any one of these options. You can complete your profile by clicking here and then you can use Gumroad pretty easily. So that's how you sign up on Gumroad. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you in the next video.